Hi, Oliver and Mason. Mrs. Kinzer here. Thanks for joining me. I'm sorry again that we can't join live on Fridays. Miss Silver has her own classes that she has to go to at IU, so we'll be recording lessons for Badger Time on Fridays. So again, we apologize. But if you're here watching this video, hopefully you've watched the warm-up video. That's step 1 on the Badger Time page. So if you haven't watched that yet, that's okay. Just make sure at some point today that you do take a few minutes to review that warm-up video. All right, so we do have a new pattern today. But before we get to the pattern, we are going to go through some a very quick fluency warm-up at following some of the patterns that we have already discussed, some of which include the TCH. We know TCH, that sound is ch. So all these words in this column, if you take a look, you should see TCH at the end of them. That means every word here is going to end with that ch sound. Do you guys remember what the rule is for TCH? If you said at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, ch is spelled TCH, you are absolutely correct. So TCH is used in a one-syllable word after one short vowel. So I'm going to put an arrow underneath each short vowel. And as I am doing that, I want you to think about what short vowel sound they each will make. Okay, so I have an E, an A, another E, and a U. So before we even begin to read these words, let's think about those sounds of the vowels. Because there's TCH, we know each of these vowels are going to make that short vowel sound. So these are going to say eh, ah, all right? Easy enough so far? All right, let's put the sounds together. F, etch, fetch, skr, atch, scratch. This might be kind of hard to blend. It makes the skr sound, the 3 consonant blend right here. Skr, atch, scratch. I see a 3 consonant blend here. Str, etch, stretch. And then a 2 blend is cl, atch, clutch. So we have fetch, scratch, stretch, and clutch. So Oliver, Mason, can you read those with me? Right now we have fetch, scratch, stretch, clutch. Remember, if you can hear that, they each have that ch sound at the end of each word. All right, moving on to that middle column here. Take a glance at these words in this column here. What pattern do you think these follow? Hopefully you said the floss rule. I see double F's, double L's, and double S's here, but double consonant at the end. The rule for the floss, whether it's FF, LL, SS, or ZZ, it's at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. F is spelled FF, or L is spelled LL, or S is spelled SS. So I'm going to go ahead and underline those double consonants to remind us that those follow a specific rule. Now in that rule, it says that those double consonants follow a short vowel sound. So at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, f is spelled FF. Same for LL, L is spelled LL, or at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, S is spelled SS. So that O is going to have that short vowel sound. So just like I did in this column, I'm just going to draw an arrow to each vowel. So I remember that those vowels are all going to have that short vowel sound. So this one's going to say I, and ah. All right, I'm going to read these words once through for you. I want you to just silently follow along, and then after that, we will read them together. All right, Oliver and Mason, let's go ahead. Cl, if, cliff. St, if, stiff. smell, gloss, gloss. So we have cliff, stiff, smell, gloss. All right, read with me. Cliff, stiff, smell, and gloss. Perfect. All right, last column before we move on to the pattern for today. If you take a look at this column, you'll see that they all have a vowel in common. They all have an I. All of these words are a closed syllable. They all are one syllable because they all have one vowel. They all have one I. And because they all have one I and that they are all closed, they all have consonants at the end. Because it's one vowel and then it ends with a consonant, they all end with a consonant. That I is going to make the I sound. They're all going to have the short I sound. So actually, I'm going to get rid of these lines and I'm going to draw the arrows like I've been doing. So they're all going to have the I sound. All right. So some of these are kind of tricky. Some of these might be a little tricky, and that's okay. I'm going to read them first. I just want you to follow along. Here in a second, after I'm done reading, we'll read them together. So here we go. We have thrift, fifth, whip, and width. All right, I'm going to read that one more time. You follow along silently to yourself. We have thrift, fifth, whip, and width. I'm going to do that one more time. Thrift, fifth, whip, and width. All right, now I want you to try along with me. If you need to pause the video at any time to sound out these words, that's okay. Please do that, okay? So here we go. We have thrift, fifth, whip, and width. Great job, Oliver and Mason. All right, are we all warmed up? Ready to go? Perfect. All right, this is what we're going to do today. I know Miss Silver spoke to you a little bit about the magic E yesterday. She talked about a consonant magic E. And before we go on to any new magic E patterns, I want to talk about the A consonant magic E one more time, just as a quick review to get a little bit more practice. Now, Oliver and Mason, I'm going to ask you. I'm going to zoom in so you can see my card a little bit better. What sound does this card or this pattern make? If this is a magic E, if this is an A consonant magic E, what does that E do? Think about it for a minute. If it's a magic E, a magical E, what does that E do? And I've made that vowel red for a reason, so think about it. All right, if you said that magic E jumps back over the consonant and makes the A say its name, you are absolutely right. That A is going to say A. It's not going to say A. It's going to say A. So, again, here's the rule. When we have A consonant, magic E on the end of a word, any consonant here, okay? That E is going to jump back over that one consonant and make the A say its name. So in this case, that A is going to say A, or this pattern is going to say A. The key word for this card or this pattern is ape. Ape. A consonant, magic E. That E jumps over the consonant and makes the A say its name. So A consonant E says what sound? A. Perfect. You guys got it. All right, I have some words for us to work through really quickly before we get to the spelling. Oh, I need to zoom out. Perfect. All right, I have a few words here. They all have A consonant magic E. A consonant magic E, A consonant magic E, A consonant magic E. All right, doesn't matter what the consonant is, okay? That is the pattern, A consonant magic E. What I'm going to do, I am going to highlight the consonant to make sure, just to make sure that they all have one consonant between the A and the magic E. All right, we have, all right. And then our magic E is right here. All right. So if this is a magic E rule, that E is going to jump back over that one consonant that we just highlighted and make the A say its name. So in this case, it's going to say A. L-A-K, lake. We don't sound out that E at the end. It's magic. It has one job. It makes the vowel say its name. It does not make any other sound than that. All right, it's in charge of that vowel. It does not make a sound. So lake, lake. All right, here we go. Second word. I see a consonant, magic E. All right, I'm going to highlight that E or underline that E. Right? That rule says that E jumps back over that highlighted consonant and makes the A say its name. It's going to say A. So it's going to say wade, wade. Again, we do not sound out that E. The one job that this E has is to make the A say its name. We do not need to pronounce or even recognize that that E is there. We don't need to read it other than to make the A say its name. Wade, wade. Moving on. Again, pause the video at any time if you need to. I see a consonant, magic E. I'm going to underline the E. Okay, think to yourself, what am I going to do? Hopefully I am a mind reader today. Hopefully you are thinking that E jumps back over that highlighted M, or that one consonant makes the A say its name. So this is going to say same, same. All right, last one on this row. I see a consonant, magic E. I'm going to highlight that consonant so I do not forget about it. I'm going to underline my magic E, and you guys tell me, what do I need to do? I'm going to jump back over that one consonant and make the A say its name. It's going to say A, safe, safe. With me so far, guys? Let's do 2 more examples before we get to the spelling. Alrighty. We have, oops, let me get my black marker. We'll do 2 more. And just for convenience, I'm going to make the vowels red again. Okay? And then we have thanks, guys, for being so patient. All right, here we go. Same thing applies. I see a consonant, magic E. Just for practice, I'm going to highlight that consonant so I remember there's only one in between the A and the E. If we had more than one consonant there, the E would actually not be magic. So, and that's another lesson. We'll talk about that in the future. We're only looking when there's a consonant, one consonant, magic E. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to underline the magic E so I remember I don't need to pronounce that or try to sound that out. All I need to know is that it has magical powers. It's going to make the A say its name. So it's going to be aim, shame. I see one of the H brothers right there. That makes the sh sound. Aim, shame. All right, last one, guys. I see A, then one consonant, and then a magic E. I'm going to highlight that consonant so I don't forget about it. Underline my magic E. All right, and hopefully you are thinking the same thing that I am. I'm going to jump back over one consonant and make the A say its name. TR makes what sound? Think about it for a moment. If I sounded out TR, Oliver and Mason, what sound would that make? It's going to make the tr sound. Aid, trade. It says trade. Perfect. If you guys, we're about to move into the spelling, but if you guys need to review this pattern one more time, feel free to rewind. Watch it again before we get to the spelling. All right. I apologize if you hear Willow in the background. She is outside barking at something. All right. Now on to the spelling. All right, now I printed out my sheet, but if you just want to use your whiteboard, that works perfectly fine onto me. All right, so I have my 4 lines up here. I'm going to zoom in so you can actually see. All right, is it blurry? Hopefully not. Oh, that's a little bit better. All right, so I have my 4 sounds up here. These 4 sounds are review. The first sound is ch, like catch. Ch, like catch. Go ahead and write that down. You can pause the video, but I'm going to go ahead and write the sound down. But feel free to pause the video so you can write yours down, and then you can check it with mine. So ch, like catch. I remember at the end of a 1-syllable word, after 1 short vowel, ch is spelled T-C-H. So I'm looking for T-C-H. All right, next sound is th, like Theo, or this, or yeah, th, like Theo. All right, one of those H brothers. Again, go ahead and pause if you need to, but I'm going to go ahead and write it down. Th, like Theo is T-H. You guys are doing great. Great job sticking with me. Next sound is J, like bridge. J, like bridge. And I remember at the end of a 1-syllable word, after 1 short vowel, J is spelled D-G-E. So I'm going to use D-G-E at the end of a word. All right, last sound is K, K, like duck. K, like duck. And I remember at the end of a 1-syllable word, after 1 short vowel, K is spelled C-K. And again, I'm going to keep saying this, but please pause the video if you feel like I'm going too fast, or if you need time to write it down in between sounds or words. Feel free to pause, write it down, and then come right back to the video, okay? Perfect. All right, next line are the review words. So here's a clue. The words that we're about to write here, follow these patterns, okay? That is a major clue right there. All right, first word to spell is catch. Can you catch the ball? Catch. I hear k, like C, k, a, ch. Now I know in catch it has a short A sound. It says a. So at the end of a 1-syllable word, after 1 short vowel, ch is spelled T-C-H. Catch. Next word is that. That. The, at. The, a, that short a sound, or a sound. T. That. Perfect. All right, listen closely to this next one, guys. Smudge. There is a smudge on my computer screen. Smudge. Smudge. Sm. Like up. J. Smudge is 1 syllable and it has 1 short vowel. So it's going to say D-G-E at the end. Smudge. Last word on this row is dock. Dock. The boat was at the dock. D-A-K. Dock. D-A-O. And then K. Dock is 1 syllable, so at the end of a 1-syllable word, after 1 short vowel, K is spelled C-K. Dock. All right, guys, you are doing fabulous. All right, next part. Here's our new pattern. If you want to do this part with me, that's great on your whiteboard. Otherwise, you can say this along with me. So remember, the pattern today was A, consonant, magic E. So as I'm writing it, I'm going to say A, consonant, E says A. A, consonant, E says A. A, consonant, E says A. Perfect, guys. So again, if you wanted to write those 3 times and say those as you write them on your whiteboards, that would be fabulous. All right. The next 4 words are going to follow this pattern. So they're all going to be A, consonant, magic E. Guys, we are almost done. You guys are doing great. Keep up the hard work. All right. Oliver and Mason, here we go. First word to spell, following the magic E pattern up here. The word is shame. shame. Sh, a, m. Sh, a, m. Now I hear sh like Sherman, one of the H brothers, or shh, please be quiet. So shh, that would be sh, sh, a, m. Now you guys take a look and see what I wrote. Does this say shame? This would actually say sham. This would have the am sound. There's no E to make the A say its name. We need that magic E on the end. So with that magic E on the end, that E jumps back over the one consonant and makes the A say its name. It's going to say shame. Next word is chase. Chase. I hear ch like Charlie, one of the H brothers. Ch, or like chair, I suppose. Ch, a, s. And to get that A sound, I need that magic E on the end. That E jumps back over one consonant, makes the vowel say its name. Chase. We have 2 more words, guys, and then we are done. All right, you guys are doing awesome. The next word is grade. 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 Gr, gr, a, d. That would say grad. I would have to flex back to that short vowel sound because it's vowel ends with a consonant, so the vowel would have the short vowel sound. To get that A sound in grade, I need that E on the end. So I'm going to put the magic E on the end because I know that E jumps back over one consonant and makes the vowel say its name. So it's going to say grade. All right, last word. Hopefully this one's not too tricky. Ape. 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 A. Is that correct? You guys think about it. Am I right in how I spelled ape? Oh, nothing gets by you guys. This would say app. App. It's a closed syllable. It has one vowel, ends with a consonant, so the vowel says its short sound. Ah. To get that A sound, I need that E on the end because I know that E jumps back over one consonant and makes the vowel say its name. So it's going to say ape. Ape. And actually, if you guys remember, the key word for this pattern is ape. A consonant magic key. The key word is ape. Guys, you did fabulous today. I know that was a lot to follow along to. Hopefully it wasn't too bad. Miss Silver should be back on Monday to have your group. I do apologize again that she can't meet on Fridays with you guys, but we do appreciate that you guys are following along with these videos. As always, reach out to us through Canvas if you have any questions. Have your parents call us at school or email. We want to be able to help in any way that we can. So please, please, please let us know if you have questions about what we just went over in Badger Time or anything else that Miss Raitan is posting. We want to be able to help in any way we can, okay? Great job, Oliver and Mason, and we will see you very, very soon, all right? Have a fabulous weekend. Bye.